In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 300 DPI using Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner, understanding how to create high-resolution designs is essential, especially if you're planning to print your work. DPI, or dots per inch, is crucial when it comes to print quality, ensuring that your designs are crisp and clear. So let's walk through the process together step by step. First, let's start by navigating to canva.com. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do so by clicking the login button in the upper right corner of the homepage. You'll be prompted to sign in using your credentials. Canva offers flexibility here, as you can log in using Google, Facebook, or your email. Choose the option that works best for you. Once you're logged in, you're ready to dive into your design project. Now it's time to create your design. Start with a blank canvas or use one of Canva's many templates to get started. If you have specific images or elements you'll need for your design, ensure they are high quality, particularly if your final goal is to print the design. The higher the starting quality, the better your printed piece will look. Play with the tools provided to craft something truly striking. With your design ready, it's time to save your work with the right settings to ensure it prints well. Head over to the Share section located on the top right of your Canva window and select Download. Once there, you'll see various file format options. To achieve 300 DPI, you must select PDF print as your file type. This is a crucial step because the PDF print option automatically saves your design at that high 300 DPI resolution, making it perfect for printing. It's key to note that Canva exclusively offers the 300 DPI option through the PDF print format. If you try downloading your design in other formats like JPG or PNG, Canva defaults these to a lower resolution, typically at around 96 DPI. This DPI is more suited for digital use rather than print. Therefore, to keep your designs looking sharp and professional on paper, stick with the PDF print. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will have your designs saved in the perfect format for high quality printing. It's as simple as ensuring you pick the right file type during the download stage. Now your designs will maintain their integrity and look just as you intended them on paper. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions, and check back soon for more tips and tricks. Happy designing!